I always root for the underdog. Even when I turn on a basketball game or football game, usually I see who's behind, and that's the person I root for. I want the underdog to win. It's the same with my practice. When I'm representing an individual that has been injured, we're going against a big insurance company. My client is the underdog, and I like to win. I think my legal education has greatly shaped the way I approach my current practice. While in law school, I never thought that I would be a litigator or handle personal injury cases. I actually thought I was gonna be a transactional lawyer, doing mergers and acquisitions, all kind of boring business deals. The complexity of that work was feeding my desire. It kept me happy, but I still didn't truly like the work. I wasn't representing the everyday person, and then after a while, it kind of started to wear on me. We started this firm July 1st of 2019. While the Marc Brown Law Firm is a full-service personal injury law firm, there are certain cases that we see more of. Auto accidents, tractor-trailer truck accidents, crime victims. One successful case that we handled that really comes to mind, he was at a hotel in Conyers, Georgia, and he went out on the balcony and just leaned against the railing. He ended up falling 2 stories, 2 vertebrae in his lumbar spine just shattered, exploded, rushed to the hospital. The hotel, it's a big name hotel, we're not talking just a little rinky-dink hotel, didn't want to pay any money because they felt like they didn't do anything wrong. We ended up having to take that case into litigation, and 2 months after filing suit and just starting discovery, we got the case settled for the policy limits, which was in the 7 figures. I learned to really put the client first and don't just try to quickly get the job done. Don't go after the quick buck. Really dig deep, look for the bigger picture. How can you provide the greatest impact for not only this plaintiff, this client, but that will actually help the community as a whole? To see the look on their face when they hear not only the amount of money they're receiving, but also the fact that this chapter in their life is over. These people have been through a lot. And to know that I was able to help them, stand with them through this whole process, and then get them a favorable result, that's why we do what we do.